What is up, y'all? It's Black and White Country here, and it's gonna be a short video. It is currently Wednesday, day before Thanksgiving, 2019, and just out here working on Bulldozer. What we're doing here is we are welding pieces of rebar onto the track pads like that. This is a pretty simple, effective way to rebuild your tracks on a machine like these, especially these older John Deere and Caterpillar machines that are harder to get parts for. You can see there the weld's kind of getting a little rusty. I'm not going to bother to paint any of this, but essentially all I did was I went to Home Depot and I bought for this particular machine I bought 4 20-foot sticks of 1/2-inch rebar, and and cut it down into 12-inch pieces, which these tracks are like 11 3/4 wide. So you can see it sticks over just a hair, but I've already got a lot of the bottoms done. You can see here where it's a piece of rebar sticking out on these bottom sides. So yeah, this is just a good little project that y'all can do if y'all want to rebuild y'all's tracks. I'd recommend it, because it's going to increase the traction of the machine by a lot. Because I mean, you can see here there's a 532 rod next to the track. That track is not very tall. Put a piece of rebar on it. It's pretty tall. It's gonna grab a lot more dirt now. If you really wanted to, you could buy 3 times the amount of rebar and do 3 times the amount of cutting and welding and everything else like that, and put pieces on there like this and do all 3 sections of the pad. But I'm not doing that because this thing doesn't see that much use. But this is just something I thought y'all might like to see, and it's a really cheap way to soup up your Bulldozer. So hope y'all guys enjoy, and I'll see y'all in the next one.